In this video, friends, I will show you step by step how to install Judgeme for review product in Shopify. So guys, go to Shopify account. On the search, click this app section. From this section of the search for review products. As you can see here, guys, when you click on review product, you will see this page. From here, you have Judgeme product review app. You can install this. You should be install this option, guys. So guys, click this one. After that, click install. This is, guys, you can see all the features of this extensions. This is used for directly Shopify. Work on down on your theme. You can work on down theme. Just click install this option. From here you have a lot of rating here. This is good. Click install. You can view personal data, customer, content provider. So guys, when you install, you can use successfully without any problem. So guys, just set up languages and which email and click start setup from here, and then click enable app. From here, click enable embeds and click continue this option and click skip this one. This is how you can do, guys, and you can start using this one for product reviews. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this guide helpful for you. You can see a lot of things here and these extensions, and you can use the orders and easy to use